How to size Adidas Sambas. Hey everybody, I'm Massimo. Welcome back to the only channel on YouTube that covers in-depth videos of cars, fashion, and lifestyle. The Show Me channel. Today, we're going to go over these bad boys. Adidas Sambas. These are some of the most popular sneakers right now in streetwear, and how to size them is going to be the number one thing you guys are going to be asking yourselves when buying these things online. So before we get into it, be sure to like and share for that YouTube algorithm, as well as subscribe. Any support would just be awesome. Now let's get more into the tutorials. So why are these things so hard to size? Well, that's because length is true to size, but the shoe is narrow. It is narrow through the midfoot and the toe box. So a size that is right on paper can still kind of feel tight. Let me now put these sneakers on feet to show you guys more what I'm talking about. Alrighty, slipping on the pair of Adidas Sambas. I hope you guys don't mind I chose the cow Adidas Sambas for this video, but yeah. Alright, so quick feet specs. Usually my true to size is really about 8.5, and for these Adidas Sambas I went with just about a size 9, because I know that these things run a little narrow, and even though these things probably could fit me just fine true to size, I do like to run a size half up on narrow sneakers just because I like the little added comfort to them. Now over time these sneakers will indeed break in and they will become a little bit more loose, but I'm not too worried about that when it comes to Adidas Sambas. Here's kind of a front facing view so you guys can see how these things can be a little bit narrow on the sides and whatnot. They do kind of get really snug around the midpoint. I got a sizing chart right here for you guys, an all-in-one. So if you guys have narrow feet, I would just stick with just going true to foot size. If you have just regular standard feet, also just go to your size. If you have wide feet, I recommend going a half a size up. Or if you guys want some extra comfort in your sneakers, I also would just recommend going a half size up on these. And if you have very wide feet, you could go another size up. But at that point, I would just try a pair of Adidas Gazelles that are a little bit better around your feet. And one thing I would definitely not recommend doing on these sneakers at all is just going a size down, because that would be pretty dumb. If you feel like they are a little bit snug and you have regular narrow or standard feet, just wear them out a little bit and they will break in and feel a little looser. But yeah, I think that's all you're going to need to know to how to size a pair of Adidas Sambas. So what do you guys think about it? Comment down below your opinion, like and share for that YouTube algorithm, and last but certainly not least, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.